guys, we are back with the last in the Caudabe case lineup for the iPhone 12 Pro. So this is the Lucid Clear range. Now the Lucid Clear range comes in the graphite clear, which has like a smoky sort of tint to it. And it also comes in the crystal, which is perfectly clear. So this is Caudabe's clear range of cases. They're ultra slim, manufactured from the same polymer used in bulletproof glass apparently. And it's got gloss-like clarity that says here, beautifully showcases your phone and does not discolor over time. So hopefully these won't yellow like I've had an OtterBox case on an iPhone XS, which has turned yellow all the way around the edges where it's they've got the protection for the dropping of it. And these cases here also have a special Olyphobic coating which enhances fingerprint and smudge resistance. So we'll see how that goes over time. Now let's get the graphite one out here. So these are very similar to the Veal, where they don't have any buttons. So you're going to be using the buttons on your iPhone here. If you don't like that, this might not be the case for you. Caudabe do have the sheath and the synthesis case, which has buttons, and they're very nice and tactile. The sheath is probably my favorite out of all of these that I've tried so far. So we'll just get this clear plastic out, if I can get it. There we go. So I don't know if you can see that in the video there, but it's got like a slight matte feel on the back. So we'll grab the iPhone 12 Pro here and get it in the box. This might be a little bit tricky to get in here. Oh. Okay, there we go. You can see the buttons of the phone, they're exposed. The camera bump is got the raised lip around the edge. It's not flat like the synthesis is, so we'll just see if we get any... Wow, you get a lot of camera rock with this one, if that's something you don't like. So the synthesis and the sheath have the minimalist camera rock out of the Caudabe cases. That doesn't really bother me, to be honest, too much. But, because, you know, if you weren't wearing a case on your phone, the camera would be resting on the table anyway and doing that. So you're only just adding protection to that camera area just there. Now, they've got the same Caudabe branding on all their cases just there. They've got a little cutout just there, so you can obviously get that on and off. And we've got the speakers and lightning port cut out down the bottom. That feels very glossy in the hand. Let's test it for fingerprints. It's actually a very amazing coating. I can barely leave a mark on the back of that. I wonder if over time, when it gets scratches and you push it across stuff, if that'll affect it at all, if you'll notice all that. But yeah, only time will tell with that. But first impressions, that case is very nice. Now, if you don't like parts of your phone being exposed, you might not like this either. If it was to fall down on an edge, which is probably very unlikely like that, you may damage the edge of the iPhone 12 Pro there. Same with this section just here, but I think your chances of that are pretty slim to none. So that's the Lucid Clear case in the graphite color. I won't put the clear case on because it's a little bit tricky to get off this one by the looks of it. So you can see there that that's the clear case. It's just going to go on there and it's going to look exactly like that case is on there, except it'll just be clear and you'll be able to see the color of the phone. So yeah, that's the Lucid Clear case from Caudabe, guys. Thanks for watching.